This is my new version of this crossbow. So we can start from this first part. So here we have the symmetrical crossbow body. Then they are attached like this. And from here we have the springs which will lock there. So springs can be slid in these slots. Then there is this second spring, and then I have added this, so we can have this crossbow string there. And this is this which will shoot the arrow, so the string will be connected here. And if I hide this, we can see that string will be going from there, and then it's attached here. Then we have the trigger pieces, so when we pull this here, it will lock there.